Welcome! Today I will show you how you can activate Google Assistant on your Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite. At the first you have to open Google application, move for the More, find Settings, click on the voice and then go for the voice match. When you are here, we have to find Hey Google and tap on the switcher. As you can see right now it's enabled, but in my case it's set up because I use this smartphone. But you will have circle like that and you have to say OK Google for the 2 times. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. As you can see, right now the setup is finished when you tap on the right upper corner, and right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, our assistant will be activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.